Here it is, the box that they shipped me from Dest- uh, Denton, Texas. Reaper Miniatures sent me this. Pretty cool. I'm going to open it in just a second. All right, we're going to record this stuff, see how it goes. I'm still talking. Let's see what they can hear. So here is the sharp things. Safety first. Bullshit. Well, I dropped the mic. Hang on just a minute. All right, let's start again because I lost. Anyway, here we go. Here's what's in the box. Look at that. There it is. Invoice says that. T-shirt. Large. Pretty cool. Let's open it up. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm assuming. There it is. Looks like a nice tome. Nice soft color book. Looks like a map. Pretty cool. Dice. Land shark. Pretty cool so far. I'm excited. Extra flingum. It's a flayed one. Let's be honest. It's a flayed one. Pretty cool. Big box. Oh, Dungeon Dwellers Kickstarter miniature set. I'll come back to that. Oh my goodness. That's a heavy box right there. We're going to open this in a minute. Let me readjust the camera. See you in a minute. Bye. All right. There's all the stuff again. Well, that's chock full of goodies. Some cultists. Another, well, flayed one. I'm sorry. Beholder, I think. A harpy. A dragon large. A minotaur. monstrous centipedes. An ogre. Thumper. Thumper. It's a thumper. Lesser ball slick. Ooze. Colette, the mournful spirit. Fire beetles in clear. That'll be fun to paint. Translucent. Here he is, Sir Rictus, Skeletal Knigget. Yep, he is going to be fun to paint. He is the reason I bought this because he looks so cool. Hellhounds. 2. Armored Goblins. Female Hobgoblin Warrior. A Wraith. Beetles. Monstrous Ticks. Spoon! Only some of you will get that. Herrick Stronghammer, a cleric. Good, he's a dwarf. Cleric. More troll, or less troll, more or less. Oh, look, a halfling. Trissa Cloverhill. She's a rogue. Rowan Thistlemore. He's a fighter. Oh, she's a fighter. Didn't mean to assume. Armored skeletons. 4 of them in there. Landrell Brightelm. He's a wizard. He's a wizard, Harry. He's a charnel grub, but he's backwards in the package, so you don't see him so good. But there it is. So that's what you get in the box. Put that away. Give me a second, and we'll open the books. Open the books, see what we got. Gentle with the knife, because you don't want to. There we go. Oh, it is heavy. I'll give it that. Box o' stuff. I'm assuming. Yep. That is a dice bag. That is a sack for my dice. There's my sack for the dice. Very nice. Ooh, those are hefty indeed. Get those out. Very hefty. I don't know what, I'm sure somewhere in the rule book, because I haven't read it. I don't like reading PDFs the first time. So I think they replace these cardboard ones, which are also going to be used. Look. Styrofoamy packing. Desiccant, because Texas is sweaty. All right. Dungeon Dwellers roleplay game. Hill's Ledge. Oh yeah, the West Brown. I'm thinking that's a source book. I'm assuming this is said Denizens of the Dungeon or TM Monster Manual. Game Master's Vault. That's the DM, yeah. Game Master. Player's Guide. Map. I'm not going to open that up because I'll put that on a something, but I don't know. So overall, am I impressed with the product? No. I mean, the books are nice. I bought it because I played Dungeon Dwellers in the 80s, and there were 2 box set games called Crypt of the Sorcerer and Caverns of Doom. Not one of these, there's a Crypt of the Sorcerer PDF. I wanted it because nostalgia. I wanted a hard copy. I will get one. I will print that out. But, and there is not anything that I've seen that says Caverns of Doom on it. So nostalgia-wise, it's a giant loss. It's a giant nope. So it doesn't scratch that nostalgia itch that I was hoping for. We'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll like it. Maybe I'll change my mind. Anyway, thanks for your time.